Well, here I am at MCAS in Dandenong. Here we are picking up a new bike. Geez, they got quite a few here. Some nice bikes. T7s, KTMs, Indians, Harleys, Suzukis, and mine. Here we go. No point talking about all the bells and whistles and thrills. I think everybody's covered all that stuff. Very nice casual ride home. Actually, I want to do them up, don't I? Yeah, nice casual ride home. We've all heard about these bikes. I think if you're looking at buying one, you've done a lot of homework. So, you know, no point me banging on about it. You've all heard it before. And, oh, here we go. Settings, theme. Now there's another, that's the one I want. So how do I choose that theme and then go back? Or do I just go back? No, you don't just go back. Okay. Learning curve. I want that. No, I want that. Oh, I think that's how you do it. Now if I go, yeah, there we go. Okay then. Very good. Time to go home. Keeping it under 4,000 RPM. That's going to be fun. That's for sure. Whoa, clutch grabs really early. Oh, can't believe this is mine. It's kind of weird because the last time I rode it, it was test riding it. Now, interesting how people say the throttle's jerky. I don't know what if they've updated the software. I don't feel freaking jerky to me. Nah, no worse than my Husky. That's for sure. We've got a Husky FE501, that's fuel injected, 23 model, and yeah, it's a lot more jerkier than this. Heaps more. It's kind of weird because I'm a two-finger brake clutch guy. This is really hard because I ain't used to these great big long levers. Okay, off we go. Keeping it under 4. Not easy. Yeah, keep it under 4. Yeah, right. Trying, but anyway. Wow, it's comfortable. Oh, I need to bed these brakes in, of course. They're like a little sponge, like wood. Anyway, pipe sounds alright for stock. It could be a little louder for me. We're all different. I don't know about this wind buffering. It might be the peak of my helmet. Maybe that's what's, I don't know. It is a very windy day. What information can I look at on the run? Oh, so it's down the bottom. Right, okay, so volts, fuel, time. What else have we got? And the trip meter. Oh, so I can just travel through the trip meter. Yeah, right, okay. Mirrors are really good. Really clearly see what's literally right behind me, which is good, and of course beside me. Not bad at all. I've already got a 15 tooth sprocket to go on the front. You'll see it's going to need it. So yeah, don't have to talk much about the bike, you all know about it. I ain't got really much to say. I brought handlebar risers, and yeah, I think it would be slightly better if I had them on. Not a big deal though. Curious about this wind buffeting. With this wind, like, it's a really windy day, and I'm surprised I'm not feeling the bike is quite stable and it's not moving around much at all. Alright, bit these brakes in a bit. Brake really, yeah, it's better. Very good. See if I can do that a couple more times. Maybe I did put my phone back in my pocket, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Oh, this is so annoying. Changing gears so early. Ah, the cars are passing me. How embarrassing. That's just stupid, isn't it, eh? God. So I got a few things I want to do. I want to loosen off the triple clamps, loosen off the front axle and reset all that, re-torque it all. I'll have to adjust the suspension, the sag, you know the deal, blah blah blah. Do all that. Cars are passing me, pretty embarrassing, isn't it? Oop, getting carried away there. Bring it back down. It's probably not even that much of a problem, really. I've got some heated grips already to go on. Gotta have that.